your optional is wrong, you're just wasting years in the UPSC CSE preparation. Optional में interest will lead you to the knowledge, but whether the knowledge is converting into the marks is a question mark, or maybe any other technical optional. The idea is these technical optionals need time. You need to practice them. Please do not pick up any source which is followed by the herd just for the sake others are doing, I will do it from here. सिर्फ किताबी बातें या let's say only the stories will not lead you anywhere. But this video is the most important video. ऑप्शनल गलत गया, वहाँ आप कितनी भी मेहनत कर लो अपनी प्रिपरेशन में, आपकी रैंक नहीं आएगी. If your optional is wrong, you are just wasting years in the UPSC CSE preparation. I've seen many of the students, either they ignore the optional or maybe they are not ready with the right strategy to deal with the optional as a part of the UPSC CSE preparation. So in this video, my objective will be to give you a clear-cut strategy, a objective strategy, and a strategy which will take your optional preparation from the zero to hero. In this video, I will be dealing with the various levels or the phases which exist in your UPSC CSE preparation. I will start with the level 0. Level 0, although may sound not important, but this is the most important stage of your optional. And this stage is all about the choice of optional. I've seen many of the aspirants, either they end up taking the wrong optional, or maybe they are not able to do the justice with whatever optional they have taken up. I will share a story with you. There is a friend of mine who secured a rank in 2023. Now before that rank, he was having some other, optionals. Some other option he was having. So the previous 2 attempts before 2023, whatever he gave, in those attempts, he was not able to get, more than 180 or 185 in the optional as a subject. I will not disclose the name of the optional, but that was the scenario with him. But when you will see the mark sheet of that particular person, he was scoring one of the highest marks, and I mean it, I've seen his mark sheet, one of the highest marks when it comes to the GS papers, right? Not in all, but in most of the papers. So the competency was there, capability was there, but since the optional strategy was not working or the choice of optional was not working, he flung the previous 2 attempts. So first of all, choice of optional. Very, very important stage in your optional preparation. Now this video will be helpful for those also who are looking forward to increase their optional score, or who are looking forward to an answer कि यार मेरा optional का score बढ़ क्यों नहीं रहा है. I will clearly tell you in the objective manner कि अगर आपका optional का score अभी एक certain score है, तो उसको कैसे बढ़ाया जा सकता है, या क्या loopholes हैं आपके optional के preparation में. ठीक है. So even if you're someone who is done with the optional but you look forward to increase your score, this video will perfectly good, do wonders for you. And if you are Brahmas 2027 ka aspirant, this is something which is mandatory, and this is something which you have to follow in the letter and in the spirit. Okay? Up. Let's come to the level 0 again. So when you choose the optional, I've seen many of the aspirants being guided with the word interest. That आपका इंटरेस्ट है तो आप ऑप्शनल उठा लीजिए या ले लीजिए. लेट मी काउंटर यू हेयर राइट अवे. More than this, it is important for me, or as per my bucket, that there should be ample resources available for that optional. If not ample, good, certain resources should be available for that optional. Otherwise, what will happen? You may prepare on your own, but you will be directionless when it comes to the marks finally. And when I say resources, it may be the video classes, it may be some good books, it may be summaries, it may be test series, it is PYQs ka model answers, and these last 2 PYQ model answers and some topper copies mandatory in my list. Matlab, there should be the resources. If you don't have the good model answers, if you don't have the, with model answer I mean the good credible model answers, if you don't have the good model answers, or if you don't have the topper copies, how you will judge that whatever you are practicing with whatever knowledge you have? Optional may interest will lead you to the knowledge, but whether the knowledge is converting into the marks is a question mark. So जो आपके पास knowledge है, if you are able to use it to convert that into marks, then your optional is good. But whatever what I can say, knowledge you have, if you are not able to convert that into marks, the optional is of no use for you. No use, and absolute no use for you. Okay. So the first thing which should be in our bucket is the availability of the resources. There should be a decent PYQ set, some topper copies in your hand, some decent books, summaries, some video courses if you are inclined towards it. First thing. Second thing which I see many of the aspirants doing the mistake is picking up the optionals which is not inclined to the time what they have. I will explain. For example, a working aspirant may think of choosing the technical optional. I'm not saying it is not possible, but I'm saying, let's say if you are taking maths as optional or maybe any other technical optional, the idea is these technical optionals need time. You need to practice them. Okay? You need to cover the syllabus, and the syllabus is vast in the technical optionals. So generally, if you are working, or maybe if you don't have time, or maybe if you have just 1 year for the entire preparation, be it GS, CSET, current affairs, optional, everything, practice, sources, revision, you have just 1 year with you, then picking up the optional, which itself may take 9 months, is something which is not advisable. Even if that is of your interest, even if you are comfortable, it's all about the competition at the end of the day. You'll find people who are already doing justice with that optional, starting the preparation in their college time, giving at least 3 years or maybe 4 years. You know how the cutthroat competition is in UPSC. Maybe attempts they have given 3 or 4. So you have to compete with them. So what I'm saying, the rationality should be there. Just don't go with the I have the interest, I will do it. Or I am the champion, I will do it. Okay. Second thing. Now, apart from this, I mentioned more things. Interest could be a reason. Background may matter if you have read it well. But I've seen the student, they were not doing the justice in the graduation and they are picking up the optional. See, if you have done the justice, if you have read it well, then there will be some edge you will be getting. But आपने वहाँ पे भी just to pass the examination if you have read it, or maybe you have not read it well, or maybe the conditions are such that no notes, nothing exists as of now. Rethink it, give yourself a pause, just see whether you have the other options which you can explore or not. ठीक है, क्योंकि ग्रेजुएशन में होता क्या है, sometimes you get bored with the subject if you don't have the interest and you're picking it up again. I mean, see what will be the traumatic experience it may lead to. So if there is something in which you have invested well, you have read it well, you know it well, pick it up, no issues at all. But if that has already left a wrong, what I can say, the imprint on your head, you have not invested the time, maybe out of any reason, try exploring something else which you can enjoy, right? Then good resources, PYQ, then topper copies, then avoid going wrong, especially in this level, because if your level 0 is ruined, it will ruin your entire UPSC CSE preparation. Scoring 200, 210 will not lead you anywhere. You will keep on going the attempts, you will keep on struggling. Let me tell you very frankly, very bluntly, you may hurt, or you may, it may be sounding something, कि सर आप डरा क्यों रहे हो, but this is the harsh reality. If I will not tell it to you, the time will tell it to you. ठीक है, but वो ज़्यादा गंदा है. टाइम से सीखना, you are wasting your year. मुझसे सुनना, you are having learning from the experience, right? You save your time. That is the difference. Now, level 1 is about the syllabus completion. अब see the marks which I mentioned on the board. With every level, you will see the increase in score. Up there are two options. Either you don't believe me, you sit in the exam hall, you see your final score. But ultimately, that won't lead you anywhere. You end up wasting your time. The second thing is you learn it from the experience. You try asking from some topper ki, okay, you got 250 na, what you have done? Ask it from some topper. Some topper who has scored 300, just ask it from them. If you are able to reach out to them, or maybe if some person who has given the mains, they will tell you exactly around this the things are happening. Okay. So in the videos starting, I told you, I will try to keep the things very objective. That is what I am trying to make a point. In level 1, what we are doing, we are just completing the syllabus. And this is the place where 99% of the aspirants do the mistake. 99%. They will roam around the, what I can say, city. They will feel they are preparing for the UPSC. They are ready with the optional just after completing the syllabus. Let me debunk this right away, very brutally in front of you. Completing the syllabus is just 25% of the optional preparation. It may take your time, maybe you are investing, let's say, half of your time in the optional completion, syllabus completion, but सिर्फ आपने अभी 25% मेहनत की है, जो optional की 100% मेहनत होती है उसमें. मेरी बात समझ रहे हैं? हैविंग द माइंडसेट कि मेरा ऑप्शनल खत्म हो गया, एंड वंस यू आर डन विद द सिलेबस यू आर हैविंग दैट माइंडसेट, समथिंग which 99% of the aspirants have, and something which will not lead those people anywhere. रैंक कुछ लोगों की आती है, those who have the right mindset and face the reality of this exam. ठीक है, दो ही ऑप्शन है, इधर चले जाओ या इधर चले जाओ. इधर चले जाओगे तो टाइम बचेगा, रैंक आएगी. इधर चले जाओगे तो चलते रहोगे, somehow down the line you will realize or you will not realize. ठीक है, होगा क्या, कुछ बच्चे down the line what they do, फर्स्ट ईयर में ये करेंगे, सेकंड अटेम्प्ट में ये भी कर लेंगे, थर्ड अटेम्प्ट में ये कर लेंगे, एंड दैट इज हाउ दे कीप ऑन वेस्टिंग द अटेम्प्ट. एंड द रीजन इज दैट दे डोंट हैव द टाइम. टाइम नहीं है, ये रीजन नहीं है. द रीजन इज दे डोंट नो these levels exist and we have to do it, and without them we cannot reach to the certain score level. And let me tell you, if you are someone who is not looking forward to 280 plus or 300 score in the optional, you will not get the IS. It's very difficult. I am not saying 100% नहीं मिलेगा, but बहुत मुश्किल है. आप समझ रहे हैं? तो एंड 280 लाना टफ नहीं है, इफ यू नो कि यार मेहनत इतनी करनी है, करने के बाद आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, so what I'm saying, this is just 25% and you will reach to the 180 score. Now there are two ways. Either you can do it from the video lectures, maybe some course, maybe some batch, or maybe from the Telegram. It's all in public now. So what I'm saying, from the video courses you may do the optional ka syllabus coverage, but what is the benefit? The benefit is you have the accountability. Yaar, I have the 100 lectures or 200 lectures, 150 lectures, I have to complete them all. First thing, you have some quantifiable things in front of your eyes. Second, interlinkages of the syllabus. But what I can say, caution, or what I can say, warning, please do not pick up any source which is followed by the herd just for the sake others are doing, I will do it from here. Understand one thing, the source should be something which is exam oriented. सिर्फ किताबी बातें या लेट्स से ओनली द स्टोरीज विल नॉट लीड यू एनीवेयर. अगेन सी, टाइम इज द कंस्ट्रेंट ना, रिसोर्सेज कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं है, टाइम है आपका. इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टेड इन 150 लेक्चर्स, इट शुड रिजल्ट इन द बेस्ट सिलेबस कवरेज, एंड आई विल टेल यू एग्जैक्टली हाउ यू हैव टू इंश्योर इट. मैं बताऊंगा अभी आपको, ठीक है, रुकिए, अगर कहीं भी आपको दिक्कत आ रही है तो if you need suggestions from where we have to do, कहाँ से कर सकते हैं, what are the options available for Brahmastra students, we have made the group. You have a personal group with me, your personal mentor and a course coordinator. So you can exactly ask there, get in touch with the mentor or me or maybe the course coordinator to know what are the options available, what I can pick up, can I get in touch with the faculty or whatsoever. What I'm saying, you may go for it. It will help in the interlinkages. It will help you to have some targets. Then you are completing the things because some subject matter experts are delivering the things. But the caution is, do not follow the herd, do not listen to someone. Especially I've seen the options like PSR, socio, sometimes you people follow the herd and it end up either making the things bulky. PSR optional के साथ यही होता है यार, बहुत बल्कि कर लेते हो आप लोग. ठीक है, यू आर फॉलोइंग द हर्ड, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द थिंग्स इन एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड, देन यू, आप देखना कभी भी देयर इज अ ट्रेंड. PSR optional में ना, the more attempts you give, the more marks you get. Generally, if you are a serious aspirant. Why? Because syllabus ज़्यादा है, थोड़ा सा time भी ज़्यादा लगता है ना. But a decent optional. I mean, if you will consider the what I can say, the this non-technical optional, you have sociology, PSR, anthropology, then a booming optional, which you must explore, and this agriculture optional. ठीक है, ज़्यादा technical नहीं है, बहुत छोटा सा है, within 3 months you can complete a very decent. So there are optionals which you can explore. Nevertheless, first option is video, second is standard books. So there may be some book list of that particular option, you can refer to that also. But again there is an issue, you may not interlink in the books, then you may not know in how much time I have to cover what book, and is that sufficient for the mains or not, okay, or the optional or not. So syllabus completion is just the first step. I've seen many of the students, at least 99% going wrong this way. They think once you are done with the optional का सिलेबस, यू आर डन विद द ऑप्शनल. दैट इज जस्ट 25%. 25% आपको और 4 साल लग जाएंगे, मैं बता रहा हूँ. ठीक है ना. लेवल 2 which will lead to the 210 marks. So level 2 is about the summaries or the consolidation. This is 20% of the weightage in your preparation. So 25% was for the syllabus coverage, 20% is the summaries. अब what you do, these summaries you make the mistakes. Let's discuss about the mistakes. You may take some topper summaries. अच्छा चलो मिस्टेक से पहले let me explain you what do I mean by summaries. Summary means that for example, you have your class notes, you have done the video courses, you have the class notes. Now if you're compressing them, and I'm giving a thumb rule, if you're compressing them in 100 pages per paper, paper 100 pages, paper 200 pages, and with 100 pages I mean 50 sheets of paper. Page numbers I am saying 100, 50 sheets of paper, one paper, 50 sheets of paper, two paper. That is what I am saying summaries. What it should contain now, it should contain the keywords. It should contain the keywords, important keywords. You should not write the fillers that this will lead to XYZ. Just write the XYZ, write the keywords, plus, comma, laga ke just make the summaries. And when I say summaries, I mean that apart from you, no one else should be able to understand them. And that is exactly what we say summaries. अब some of the mistakes which people do, they end up taking the topper summaries. अरे भाई टॉपर के नोट मिल गए, टॉपर के नोट्स मिल गए, टॉपर के नोट्स मिल गए, ये पढ़ लेंगे तो हो जाएगा. बेटा, those summaries are there, they will be able to understand it. This will not lead you anywhere. You will again waste your time. So whatever topper notes you are getting or whatever ready-made summaries you are getting, all of them are waste, utter waste. हाँ, one thing is there. See, understand this thing. I'm not saying पूरा डस्टबिन में डाल दो. One thing is there, you can use them to learn. But one thing which cannot be compromised, should not be avoided, is your own summaries, handwritten. Own summaries. How you will do it? You will take a sheet of paper, divide into two parts, fold it from between. On one side you will write the heading, then keywords, maybe subparts and all those things. On the right, again on the second side you will write the keyword, subpart, and all of it. Then on the back side also. ऐसे बनाई जाती है summary. Page को fold करके they will give the heading, then maybe the keyword, then maybe plus करके you will write the keywords, then next heading, then keyword, then plus करके, so that you make it very concise, very precise, comprehensive. Up there is a catch. When you are making these summaries, just ensure you are leaving 10% of the space blank. Every page नीचे का 10%, not more than that. Please, not more than that. Otherwise, your summaries will be bulky. Just 10%. आराम से have the size in your what is the A4 sheet. Just 10% of it, leave it blank. I will tell you the reason why. You will use it in the level 3 and level 4. ठीक है? 10% leave it blank. Now, this summary making part will lead you to 210 marks. Again, you are stuck now. Some of the people skip this. If you are skipping this, your number of revisions will decrease. For the obvious reasons that you have your bulky notes which you are reading again and again, you will invest more time. The moment your number of revisions increase, even if you are doing this, your marks will decrease. Even if you do this level 3, level 4, level 5 by skipping level 2, your marks will decrease because you are not able to give the sufficient number of revisions. Why? Because you were having more time for the revision. है ना? Simple सी चीज़ है यार. If I give you 100 page, if I give your competitor 1000 page, if I give you the same amount of time, you will end up reading it more number of times. The more number of times you read, the better you recall. Yeah. Now, level 3. So, level 2 is summaries making. In this, own handwritten should be. Do not follow what I can say, toppers ka directly. Use them to learn. So can refer to notes. We also have the summaries. For example, Sunya IAS has the summaries for sociology, PSR, anthropology, agriculture, PubEd. For many optionals, we have the summaries. But what I'm saying, don't use them as it is. Make your own notes. Use them very smartly to find the keywords, to find the consolidation. Okay. How to make them? Keywords, no filler words. लिंकिंग सेंटेंसेस मत डालिए, जस्ट कीवर्ड ऐड कीजिए, प्लस या कॉमा यू कैन यूज. 100 पेजेस और 50 शीट्स पर पेपर. वैल्यू एडिशन कंटिन्यूज अंटिल एंड, लीव 10% एम्प्टी स्पेस. वैल्यू एडिशन, नाउ दिस आई विल टॉक इन द लेवल, नेक्स्ट लेवल, द लेवल 4. रुकते हैं इस पे, ठीक है. लेवल 3 इज सॉल्व PYQs. अब आई हैव सीन मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट यू डू, ध्यान से सुनना. और यार ये वीडियो अभी थोड़ा सा मे बोर यू और यू मे फाइंड इट व्हाट आई कैन से यूजफुल, but this video is the most important video. ऑप्शनल गलत गया, वहां आप कितनी भी मेहनत कर लो अपनी प्रिपरेशन में, आपकी रैंक नहीं आएगी। ये बहुत ब्रूटल सच्चाई है यूपीएससी सीएससी प्रिपरेशन की। दिस इज द ब्रूटल फैक्ट ऑफ यूपीएससी सीएससी प्रिपरेशन, एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रीजन इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द स्टेट पीसीएस एग्जाम्स। ठीक है, तो 250 मार्क्स इज विद द पीवाईक्यूज at least of 8 years, 8 to 10 years का PYQs we have to do. Now what mistake you people do, या तो you will just read the questions, ठीक है यार क्वेश्चन पढ़ लिए, or else you will read the model answer to the max कि यार मॉडल आंसर पढ़ रखे हैं सर, we know how to write, आप टेंशन मत लो, हमें पता है कैसे लिखना है, मॉडल आंसर पढ़ रखे हैं। बेटा that is not included. Model answers and the questions will just give you the direction that whether you are going right or you are going wrong. That is it. Do one thing, do one favor for me. Try reading any one of the chapters from your main GS books of Sunya IAS. कोई एक particular topic पढ़िए. Try to just write a simple answer on that topic. पसीने छूटेंगे आपके. You will find it, what I can say, a different story. What I'm trying to make a point is, I'm expecting you to read the questions, it's fine. You read the model answer, it's fine. But I'm expecting you to solve the PYQs in a separate copy by your own hand. And we will guide you ना यार, आपको क्यों टेंशन लेनी है इतनी? We will guide you how to go about it. In a separate copy, you have to solve it by your own hand. 8 years का PYQs. And when I say we will guide you, just see the mindset. अब आप क्या करते हो? आपने देखी टॉपर की वीडियो, PYQ करना है, टाइम लिमिट में करना है, PYQ करना है, टाइम लिमिट में करना है। बेटा PYQ in the time limit is something which is recommended to other people who have the different examination phase. They have written 2 mains, they have written the mains, they have attempted what I can say, the examination 2 or 3 times. That is the phase there. If you are a beginner, if you are someone who is trying to start the optional, if you are looking forward to those topper videos, those are not either complete. पूरी भी नहीं होती यार, कुछ भी बोलते हैं वो लोग, अपने एग्जाम ईयर का बोलते हैं, आप समझिए। आई एम नॉट क्रिटिसाइजिंग ऑल द टॉपर्स, बट आई एम सेइंग इफ यू आर एक्सट्रैक्टिंग जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ इट विच दे सबकॉन्शियसली डिलीवर्ड by assuming that everyone is on the same stage will not lead you anywhere. You will be misguided. और misguidance की इस मार्केट में कमी नहीं है, इस मार्केट में सिर्फ एक चीज की कमी है, that is the time, only and only time. And the second thing which I found short is the right guidance, mentorship. Mentorship के नाम पे right now the people are just telling कि ये पढ़ लो, ये कर लो, यहाँ से कर लो। अरे भाई अभी in the advent of AI and the YouTube and all those things, that is something which is already available. You have to deal in the phases day wise, month wise, strategically, so that it could be comprehensive, right? Nevertheless, what I'm saying, when I talk about the PYQ, it is a 3-step process. The very first 50 PYQs which you will write in your optional preparation are those in which you are the most comfortable. You know the topic well, you know the question well. At least 50 तो मिल जाएंगे यार. If not 50, 20, 30 you will find. Pick those PYQs in which you are the most comfortable first, and write them by referring the notes. You have already had the class notes. You have the in level 1, sorry, level 2 you have the class notes. This level 1 you have the class notes, sorry, level 2 में you have the summaries. Just read them and then write first 50 PYQs. देख के लिखो, मैं बोल रहा हूं। Next 50 again you have to pick up randomly. Just see the entire list of PYQs. Pick up those in which you are most comfortable again, other than those 50. Initial 50 के बाद next 50 in which you are most comfortable. Write them without referring to notes. Since you are comfortable, you will write up something. Since you have already got a nag in the starting, you will be comfortable. Now slowly leave everything. Now slowly go independent. Do not look at the notes, do not refer to anything. In these 50 also, you can refer. If you want to refer, you refer. In the initial 100. No, nothing, no time limit, कुछ नहीं, कोई मैटर नहीं करता। समझो मेरी बात। If you end up writing the, what I can say, generally a term I use, what I can say, the garbage. You will end up writing the garbage, replicating the garbage. But if you're writing few answers which are as per the demand, in which you are comfortable, you will have the confidence, and that is where your benchmark will set up. So don't drop your benchmarks to the lowest, and again start as early as possible. Okay, in this. So level 3. अब a matter of caution. some of you think that it has to be executed pehle pura syllabus, then we have to do the summaries, then we have to do the level 3. Please do not take it that way. From level 1 itself you can go unit wise in all these 5, or maybe first level 1 and level 2 of unit 1, all the units, or maybe level 1, level 2, level 3 of all the units simultaneously. I am saying not something you have to complete this then jump to this for the entire syllabus, then jump to this for the entire syllabus. Nahi. You can see this I have mentioned in the handout also. Just read, pause the video. Although these are termed as levels, don't think they have to be followed one after the other. You may run these parallelly unit wise. Okay. Second caution: the moment you skip any of the level, you would skip the entire momentum. I told you, I gave the example, right? If you will skip this, the revisions will decrease. Even if you have done the other, what I can say, the levels, the marks will decrease. Okay. Level 4 is about the value addition. Generally, in all the optionals which are not technical optional, it could be what I can say, the theorems, or maybe the formulas, or maybe the other aspects, some model answers you have prepared. But in the non-technical optional, socio, PubEd, Anthro, PSR, maybe agriculture and all those things, generally the value additions are there. Maybe thinkers, experts, case studies, best practices, keywords. What I am suggesting, list them down. If you have any issues, do let me know in the comment section. I will help you to list them down. What are the different heads of value addition you have to prepare in the optional? Okay. Make a separate file for them, and it won't go beyond 10 pages. If you want to list all the thinkers, maybe all the experts, maybe all the data, all the keywords, all the schemes, it won't get 10 pages. It won't go more beyond 10 pages each. Keep them separate as of now. Now you remember 10% space we left. 10% space we left in the consolidation. What we do in those summaries, maybe 3 months before the exam, or maybe before your mains, just add the value addition in the summary itself. Just add them there only. Baad mein. See, this should not be transferred to the summaries. I mean, in the very first revision. Mat karna ye galti. Mat karna ye galti. Keep them separate. First revise them, memorize them, then transfer. What I'm saying, the level 4, which do not try to do this in a separate heads, merge with the summaries after 2 or 3 revisions at least. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि समरीज में ही सर वैल्यू एडिशन कर लेते हैं. बेटा खिचड़ी बन जाएगी. आपको पहले चीजें याद करनी है, पहले याद करके फिर लास्ट रिवीजन में ट्रांसफर कर लो. 2 दिन लगेंगे बस. So don't add it to the summaries in the very first stand. That's the only what I can say. So let me brief you about. If I talk about the level 1, it is just 25% of the preparation. It will lead to 180 marks and is syllabus coverage. Level 2 is syllabus consolidation. You make the summaries. It is 20% of the preparation again. Then it will lead to just 210 marks. You can't expect more than that. You have to revise these summaries. Now, along with that, you have to start solving the PYQs. Last 8 years, do not read the PYQs. I mean, reading the PYQs is justified. You read them 5 times, 10 times, fine. But I will count this level done once you have solved them by your own hand. Start solving as soon as possible. It is having 20% of the weightage. PYQs repeat. It is not GS, it's optional. PYQs repeat. Almost 40% of the PYQs repeat as it is. As it is. In almost all the optionals. So it will lead to 250 marks. Then level 4 is value addition. Again, it is 15% of the preparation. It may not take much time. Okay, because you have to make the separate sheets. Pura syllabus dekh ke. It will lead to 270 marks. It will give you the edge, the topper's edge, right? Now the last level. Again, you may do the mistake. Sir, पहले ये खत्म कर लें, फिर कुछ टेस्ट सीरीज उठाएंगे या कुछ और करेंगे. मेरी बात सुनिए. Just listen to me. All these levels are arranged one after the other, but you may run them parallelly also. To avoid the mistake, at least you have to practice 8 to 12 part length test. For example, let's say for unit 1 or maybe unit 2, or maybe let's say paper 1 part A. Paper 1 part A, give 2 part length test. Paper 2 part A, part B, give 2 part length test. Sorry, paper 1 part A, give 2 part length test. Paper 1 part B, give 2 part length test. Same for the paper 2, 2 part length test. 8 okay. At least 8 you give. This will help you to cover the syllabus. Then give some full length test. 3 cycles at least. 1 before the prelims, 2 after the prelims, and that is where you'll at least go beyond 280 plus. And then it depends on your caliber, what you are doing other than this. Okay, so that is it from my side. Do not go wrong. Just to brief you, do not miss these percentage. Okay, divide your time accordingly. Up, the thing which I was telling you, that if you want to get in touch, what we will do, we will drop a Google form in the description. That Google form, just drop your optional and drop a request that where you need the help from us, whether you want to finalize the video source. See, हमसे कर रहे हो कहीं और से कर रहे हो, doesn't matter, we may guide you well. ठीक है, then maybe if you want to the help in the resources, or maybe in the guidance, or maybe in the level 0, sir, how to choose. And I know most of you will fill the form for the level 0, sir, what optional to choose. Just try to get in touch with the team, try to talk. We are not charging you anything, we want you to choose the right optional so that you can at least convert your time into a good rank, है ना. Otherwise time waste होगा, कोई फायदा नहीं है. See you now. One more thing, if you're someone who are looking forward to the details on the Brahmas program, a very important program, I mean, should be joined, by the serious aspirants. Just explore the program, you won't regret. I mean, in terms of the components, I am leading that program personally. This is the number. Just drop the WhatsApp or maybe the call on this number that you are interested, or else I'm dropping one more number. You may try this number also. Okay, first is this, second is 8383950315. This year we are making the groups, personal groups. We are guiding you better through the accountability sheets, which I will discuss in some other video. See you soon in next video.